This Balkan Tube Fest was... Hi guys, and welcome to yet another episode of Random Thoughts. Now in this episode of Random Thoughts I will be talking about my impressions on Balkan Tube Fest, which was being held this weekend in Belgrade. So in case you don't know what Balkan Tube Fest is, I'll link down the video in the description where I explained everything so we can get straight to the point. So I was one of the guests on Balkan Tube Festival. Fest. And like every guest like received one of these. It says YouTuber in Serbian. It's just like phonetically written, and it's really cool. And as I was one of the guests, I had paid accommodation and transfer to Belgrade, which was awesome. So even though the festival's on Saturday, I went to Belgrade on Friday and left Belgrade on Sunday. So because I wanted to meet up with fellow YouTubers and have a great time with them. Which happened because like immediately as we went into the hostel, I arrived at the hostel with two other YouTubers, Igor and Seba from Visk TV channel. They will be somewhere here, I guess. And we found the kitchen. Like we thought immediately, like we have to make pancakes for the entire hostel. And that's exactly what we did. We made pancakes for 20 people. Yeah. I mean, it was great. It was serious. The organizers were super kind. Like they were with us in the hostel. They helped us make the pancakes. So yeah, it was a really nice experience. And like that night, I filmed two videos for two different channels at the same time. One is already out. It's like a short film where I play this spoon killer for Aztec channel, and the other one, which is not out, it's for the Visk TV channel. And the reason why I haven't filmed anything is because I guess I had too much good time. I wanted to film a vlog or something like that, but like the moment I arrived there, like stuff started happening, and I just didn't want to spoil the fun by filming stuff. I don't know. I'll link all the videos and I'll link a lot of vlogs down in the description so you can watch them all. So yeah, that was the first night, and you know, as always, we stayed up like until 4 AM, even though we had to be in the Sava Center already like at 9 AM or 10 AM. I don't even remember. So yeah, we had like 3-4 hours sleep, which is perfectly enough. So yeah, then we went to Sava Center. Then we had the rehearsal for the opening and stuff, and finally the festival began at 12 PM. The grand opening was great. Like everyone got to go on the stage of the main hall and like greet the entire audience, like thousands of people there. And that was really remarkable. Like just hearing people screaming your name. Yeah, it was funny. And the best part is that we got to hang out like YouTubers. Like we got to hang out even there. So it was really fun. The only thing that was kinda, it wasn't boring. It was just kinda difficult to bear with were the fans, because there were a lot of people there, like 5,000-6,000 was an estimate. So like we literally couldn't go to the other stages. I mean, we could, but we would get attacked by other kids and we wouldn't get anywhere. We mostly stayed in the like VIP zone where only some people could go. So, but it was still cool. We still hanged out all the time. So I mean, we did it for the fans, everything. So it's not really a downside. It's just more like of something that you have to go through to get to something bigger and happier. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands right now and what I'm talking. So let's just go to the next point right now before I start talking more stupid crap. So after that we had a Q&A panel, and the panel theme was like working alone versus working in a team. And the panel was with Yasser Stein, Visk TV, Gamer Saklise, The Lazy Wave and BFGF Gaming. And the Q&A panel was originally like meant to be in the press press conference hall, whatever. But as like 5 minutes before the panel started, like a lot of people just started going in, and like the organizers like said this won't work. So like in 2 minutes time we jumped to the main hall, like the biggest hall in Sava Center, and we switched the Q&A panel to there. And that was the best decision like ever, because the entrance was great. Like there were these huge lazy bags on stage, and we just jumped on them while the lights were out. So nobody knew actually it was us, because organizers changed it in 2 minutes. So actually nobody was informed of that. And then just when the lights went on, and we just jumped from the lazy bags, and like the audience went crazy. That was great. That was really great. And we did the Q&A on lazy bags. I have some footage from it, so you can see it right now.
Mikrofon imamo. Ok, ljudi, sad ćemo mikrofon da vama nam postaviti pitanje.
Ćao, Milane.
Ok?
Ćao.
Blades! Yeah, it was that crazy. It was awesome, really, because it's such a feeling to lay on a lazy bag in front of thousands of people who are asking you questions. It's a really nice feeling, I have to admit. And another great thing, Nerf guns. There were like tons of Nerf guns. We couldn't take any of them and shoot at will. And at one point, like we even had organized like Nerf battle with fans in the VIP cafe. It was. I mean, just imagine YouTubers versus fans, like shooting at each other. Now, at the closing ceremony, Jasesten had his 30-minute movie premiered on the big screen, and YouTubers, again, were laying on the lazy bags in the corner of the, corner of the stage and watching his movie being premiered. It was really great. And then Jasesten and Cile had their rap battle, and I did this dance thingy. And how can I forget? Gradual Report had his stand-up show there on the stage. I mean, talk about awesome. And after everything, YouTubers went to after party, where we had free drinks and we could play arcade games for free and everything. So yeah. And after everything, of course, we went back to the hostel, where we hang out a bit more. We didn't film anything though, because we were really tired. Those were really 2 long days, and after party and everything, so we didn't film anything after that. But it was still great to hang out with people I met like yesterday. Those are really some cool people, and I'm really glad that I met them, and thanks to organizers for bringing us together. So yeah, because this Balkan Tube Fest was a huge success, like we sold out Sava Center, it will be organized next year. Yeah, and we are already having some really big plans for it. So I'm inviting you to Balkan Tube Fest 2016 already, because it will be organized and it will be much better than this year's, even though I physically cannot process that information, because this Balkan Tube Fest was so yeah, thanks for watching this episode. See you in the next video. Bye!